Hey guys, we got a problem. I wish nothing broken inside, but they must be throw it or something. The box is dented. I'm hoping nothing broken inside. Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. Okay, on today's video, another unboxing video. Finally, I got my monthly subscription beauty box, BOXYCHARM. By the way, everyone, BOXYCHARM is a full-size product worth more than $125 for only $25 a month for just a fraction of what I paid in the store. Yeah, I just write a script. It's easier for me to explain a little bit about BOXYCHARM. On today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box for this month. I'm really excited. Likewise, like what I said earlier, I don't know what happened to my box. It got dented. They must be throw it or something, but it got dented. My box has a hole on it. I'm hoping nothing broken inside, so I'm really excited. I'll be sad if like something broken inside. I'll be really sad. I feel like every time I got my monthly subscription beauty box, BOXYCHARM boxes, when I open it, it feels like I'm opening. It feels like I'm opening my Christmas presents all the time. Like it feels like a Christmas for me to open my boxes all the time. That's why I feel every time I get my monthly subscription box, it's like Christmas to me. Okay, this is what's look like the box, guys. So see, it's like broken. It got holes on it right here. Oh, where is it? Got holes in this side. I don't know. It got holes in this side. So this is what it look like, the box. And where is my... We got this, what do you call this? Sharpener or something. This is normally I use to open my packaging when it comes to my monthly subscription box. I don't know. I don't use scissor at all. So yeah, I'm really excited. Ooh. There you go. And again, when you open the box, they put the... Oops. Upside down. They put this real cute. Oh, this is so cute. This is the paperwork. And let's jump into our first item. I'm really excited. Every time I do receive my monthly subscription beauty box, I'm so excited. So we're just gonna follow the first product that they put here. Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette, and this is $38. Ooh, I'm really excited. Where's the palette? Ooh, that's so cute. The packaging is so cute. So this is the eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging. It's so cute. And this is what's look like the packaging, everyone. Super cute eyeshadow palette. When it comes to packaging, they have really nice packaging for all their beauty brand or beauty product, and it's like, I don't know, it's, for me, it's super cute packaging, all of it. Very cute packaging. And how did you open it? It just has, oh, they have boxes on it. Comes with a box. You know what? My hair is cute. I didn't curl it at all. I just tied it all the way up. When I put it down, it's look like my hair right now. You know what? I'm just gonna break this one. It's hard to open. I mean, it's hard to get out the, what do you call this? The thing, the eyeshadow. How can I gonna open it? I'm just gonna break it. There we go, guys. I'm just gonna break it. I don't care. There you go. It's hard to open. I can't get it out. Just break that. I don't need that. Break that. There you go. Now I'm making a mess on my... There you go. I don't need that. Ooh, it's super cute. Again, it's still exactly the same. The packaging And when you open it, oh wow. Take off the plastic, and this is what's look like all the shade of the eyeshadow. Super cute shade of the eyeshadow, really cute. Okay, so the second is Luxie Wanderlust set. What is it? 5-piece rose gold center. Oh, another set of brush. I'm really excited. And it put it in the little pouch. Oh my god, it's so, I'm really excited. See, that's why the good thing about monthly subscription beauty box, because I never buy a new brushes, makeup brushes, because when like arrive my monthly subscription beauty box, I always receive a set of brushes. So this is really cute. Pouch of the eyeshadow brushes, set of eyeshadow brushes, and it says rose gold. Oh, it's a purple with rose gold color on it. So you guys, super cute 5 set of eyeshadow brushes. Oh my god, I love the color. I love the combination color, purple and rose gold. Super nice eyeshadow brush set, whatever you call that. And how much is this one though? And this is $40 for those just 5-piece of eyeshadow brush set. So I'm really excited about that. And the third one is, oh, this is another one of my favorite beauty brand, Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. And this is another $40 of skincare. I love this brand. I got eye cream and another sunscreen, the same brand of this one, and I do love it. It's such a super nice beauty brand. Oh my god, it's huge. So this is the Murad exfoliating cleanser, everyone, and it's big. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And again, this is $40. And I'm sure if you buy it like individually by yourself, it's really expensive, because this brand, it's really expensive, and actually it's really nice brand, beauty brand. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's huge bottle. You can see that, guys, super cute exfoliating cleanser. So I'm really excited about to use this. I cannot wait to add it to my skincare routine. Again, a super nice beauty brand or skincare brand. And next is what? Next is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cappuccino Lip Butter, and this is $20. I do believe this one. Super cute. By the way, guys, this is $20 in super cute packaging of lip, what do you call it? Kiss Tinted Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cappuccino Lip Butter. So kind of like lip tint. Super cute packaging. Let's open it. Oh, I like this one. And you know what? I like my setup. Ah, that's super cute packaging. Again, white with combinations rose gold on it. This one, guys, super cute packaging. Really nice packaging of lip tinted. Let's open it. What shade is that? Soulmate. In the shade Soulmate. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh my god, that smells butter. It smells so good. Oh, it's a lipstick, and the shade is beautiful. See that, guys? The shade is so cute. I'm gonna like that kind of like a natural nude color. Ooh, I love the shade. Let's swatch it. Kind of like lip balm or something that has color in it. And this is the shade. I don't know, you can see it. That's the shade, everyone. That's the shade of this one. It does smell so good. I love the smell. I love the smell. Super cute packaging. I'm so excited. Look at that packaging, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but it's super cute packaging as well. Oh my god. And last but not the least, Lava Lashes Charm Fax Mink. Oh, this is the fall lashes. I love fall lashes. Normally, right now, I recently discovered how to put my fall lashes really easy. It doesn't take too long. It's just like I just put the glue in it and I just put it up, and just that easy how I put my lashes, my fall lashes now. So that's why I'm really excited, like, to play with my eyelashes every time I do film. So I'm really excited about this fall lashes that I got. Is like really nice packaging, super nice packaging, guys. Really nice packaging. Let's take open the plastic because I don't know how to, where's my, I'm just gonna tear off the plastic. I don't care. I'm scared with a super sharp blade. I can't wait. So probably next videos I'm gonna try to share with you how I put my fall lashes quick and easy. I'm in love right now. All the time I do my fall lashes. It's super easy and quick. So yes. Oh my god, super cute packaging. Super cute packaging of eyelashes. And in the back like that, and also right here, very cute packaging of eyelashes. Ooh, and this is what's look like the eyelashes. You can see this is what's look like the eyelashes. Beautiful eyelashes, guys. Super nice long fall lashes. So I'm really excited. Okay, next video I'm gonna share with you how I put my fall lashes quick and easy, and then we're gonna try this fall lashes for the next video. We're gonna try it on. So alright everyone, that's it for my monthly subscription beauty box, BOXYCHARM. I cannot wait again. I cannot wait to play all of this beauty brand skincare that I got for this month. Cannot wait, especially this really nice skincare. I love this brand. That's such a really nice beauty brand when it comes to skincare. So I'm really excited about this one. And also this little lipstick is, it smells so good. It like, I don't know, it smells like candy or something, or chocolate or something. And especially for eyeshadow too, I cannot wait. Oops, I cannot wait to play with this. Just a very simple shade as well. And yeah, very nice eyeshadow. And also cannot wait to play with this fake fall lashes. Really excited about this one. And also the set of eyeshadow brushes. Super cute packaging of eyeshadow brush set. And it comes with this super nice pouch. I love the pouch. It has looks. Oh, this, I got so many brand, like this brand name of eyeshadow brushes, and they're really nice, soft, and I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I love their eyeshadow brushes. Super nice. So, and yeah, super nice little pouch for eyeshadow brush set. Alright everyone, if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet already. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christine, and hey everyone. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, if you're new here. Hi everyone, if you're new here,